There's obviously Veeam. We've gone down the Veeam road before. But one of the things that we've found over the years is that management was typically a fairly cumbersome task. We would have to allocate a dedicated resource to having a look at the backups, and we're only talking, maybe 200 customers here. We would need to be allocating a resource full time to look at that.
One of the things that we've really learned is that a good backup solution doesn't mean a good backup solution for an MSP. There are a ton of great backup solutions out there, but they're enterprise. And in our world with multi-tenancy, that's a problem. So multi-tenancy is the key for us for efficiency. As you heard me mention, we're 23 technicians. And even if you're 3 technicians, or even if you're working in the basement and you're bringing on your first technician, every time you do that, every time you have to do that training, if it doesn't scale, it's going to cost you money. So whatever you think you're saving, you're actually spending.
Yeah, no, sure. So it was probably 6 or so years ago we changed from Shadow Protect to Veeam. We just found, when you've got close to 90 servers, either separate servers or PCs you've got to log on to do an upgrade manually, to look for different passwords, to log on to those, even though we're rotating those passwords with Passportal to keep them secure, it was really cumbersome. Yeah, we easily had months where there was 20 to 40 hours managing that product, which to me seemed too much, and particularly on that senior resource.
That every time we deployed Veeam, we had to deploy an on-premises staging device. It was almost mandatory that you had to do it to hop that data, to get that data back up into the cloud. And if you're a smaller customer, that can end up being quite an expensive bit of kit to put into your network. So now we found a great product that we didn't need to stage the backups anywhere. We could shift that backup straight into the cloud.
Now, there's always a better way, and we're learning that, IT, technology is moving around so fast now. We're learning the fact that there's always a better way of doing things. One of our bigger customers, we're only talking about 30 VMs over a period of 30 days. Their storage was 20 terabytes. Now it's not even 3 terabytes. That particular customer now is 120-day storage. The industry is slowly moving towards the fact that, hey, do I actually need this? Or am I just doing it because I'm not aware of any other way of doing it?
Before Enable, we ended up in probably 7 different backup solutions, all the way from, shadow copy, way back in the day, to open source and using, Synologies and QNAPs to back up to, all the way through, MSP 360, Veeam, Datto. We've been through every backup product you can probably imagine. Again, why? Because when I asked the question to my team, what's the thing that keeps you up at night? And they answer backup. Well, I'm not going to stay with that. Right? I'm not too sure why it took us so long to come to the table of Enable's solution. It didn't take us long to transition into there. So that was a very impactful thing for us.